Before installation, the ground of the cold room should be level and tidy. Make a horizontal test on the ground before installation. If not be horizontal, use a material such as sand to level the ground. First install the floor panels. Make sure both sides of two panels are flat. Level the com locks are aligned. The convex and convex grooves are connected well. Apply silica sealant onto the upper and lower edges of the jointing position of convex groove or convex groove between the two panels. Cut the opening of the sealant at a 45-degree upward angle. Keep the 45-degree upward angle when applying sealant glue. Make it easier to apply. Use the wrench tool to tighten and fix the locking hook. The joints between the panels should be uniform and tie the misalignment between the panels at the joints should be no more than 2 mm and less than 1 mm. Start from one side and install the floor panels one by one. Install the wall panel. Start to install one of corners of wall panel. The edge of wall panel and the edge of floor panel should be aligned, and the surrounding are flat. Keep vertical. Lighten the lock to fix it. The wall panels must be installed vertically to test vertical. The two corner panels be at a right angle of 90 degrees and vertically and horizontal. Then install other wall panels one by one. Door frame panel installation. The joint between the door frame and the wall panel should be flat and aligned. The convex and convex grooves are fit well. Install the ceiling panel. After half finishing the wall panel installation, you can start to install the ceiling panels. Install ceiling panel from one side. The ceiling panel and the wall panel are evenly placed. The hooks are aligned. The convex and convex grooves are connected well. When install the ceiling panel connected to door frame panel, pay attention to the two reserve valves. Make a hole at the position where the two wires of door frame, and lay the two wires to top of the ceiling. Continue to install other wall panels and ceiling panels. The panels should be aligned. The surface of the panel is flat and sealed, and the lock between the panels are tightened in turn. Install the corner panel. The panel is lifted first. When the convex and convex grooves are properly connected, and then push panel down. Install the last panel. The last panel better to be near the inner corner, because if the previous panel is not installed smoothly, the last panel may have a large gap. The installation worker can stand on the top of the ceiling panel and press down firmly to reduce the gap between the ceiling and the wall panel. After all the panel complete installation, check again whether the com lock of each panel is lighting well. Install the door seal metal plate. Apply sealant around the inner surface of the metal. Place the metal plate on the door seal valve and fix it with a pull nail screw. Install the inner pusher. Push and pull to the test proper tightness, and then fix it with screws. The pusher installed on the inner surface of door is a safety escape device. It can be opened when people buy lock inside the room. Two wires are reserved in the door frame. The white wire is the heating wire to connect to the power supply. The black wire connecting to the switch, and the other end is to connect to the power supply. The white cap plugs should put to each lock hook hole to seal the panel. Inside corner hemming plate installation, if the gap of the corner is a bit big, can install the inside corner hemming plate and fix it with a pull nail. Outside corner hemming installation. If the gap between the ceiling panel and the wall panel around outside is a bit big, can install the outer corner hemming plate and fix it with a pull nail. If there is a gap between the two panels, you can apply sealant again and make it flat with a scraper. Let the surface flat and beautiful. The entire cold room panel's installation is complete.